So upcoming due dates, the practice final, according to Alex, is all according to Alex, that practice final is due the 7th. And what is homework 11 due? Sunday. Homework 12?
Apparently Sunday.
Yes.
Well, Sunday?
And mod 5 is due
Yeah. Or,
Whatever. 3 days after
May 10th.
Thursday. There you go.
Okay. And remember, final exams, the times are May 8th, Monday at 4 p.m. Not at 4:30, it's 4 p.m. And the common final for pre-calc 2 is going to be May 12th, Friday at 10:15. And I believe MC 202.
But you have to let Professor Tamerlano know if you wanna do the 10:15. Because they'll expect you at 4 o'clock. Okay, so if you need more time to study and you wanna do the 10:15, just let Professor Tamerlano know. You gotta let me know ahead of time, okay?
Okay. So, this is ACR. Pull out a piece of paper. The HCC and the higher than. I'm going to explain again first.
What's up with the legal pad?
Sure.
I don't know.
Thing. Why are we coming back to this?
Because since your final's coming up, this is good time for review.
I need one.
Cedric, something is happening with my calculator and I think it's gravely wrong.
Just so you're tracking.
Yeah, you don't need to
Leave
track
it
it.
at 6:40.
Okay.
That was my error.
1.6
He told me.
whatever, radians. Pi radians? Sure. Okay.
Because I don't think some included that. Remember your unit circle. The G unit circle.
The G.
Yeah. But 50
Dude, I don't remember where I am right now.
Things. Big game. Tie yo-yo. That's what I remember.
You tied all of that into the unit circle?
Somehow. No, but this is my home. I will stay here. Now you want to hear. Thank you, man.
When subtracting it, do we subtract 4 pi over 4 or just 4?
For the second part,
Yeah, the 21 pi over 4.
use subtract 2. Subtract 2.
That's half.
But how I do it, I can show you how I do it real quick. I kind of think of 21 over 4 and just take out the pi. And then I can just reduce this to, how many times is 4 going into 21? 5, and we just say around a unit circle 5 times, right?
So then it ends up back in 1/4.
And you just have 5 or 4. And you just find the sign value of that.
You're cool.
I think the reason why people aren't here because last time I used my basic white girl voice. I don't think they
Would you care to share?
Do it.
Do you guys want to?
No.
He was making fun of my last name. I need to have credit here, okay?
What is your last name?
Twining. A lot of people say twinning.
Ah, alright.
So there's that context.
Yeah, I don't want to say it.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
I'll do it after.
You'll
So you can, I
be
can,
We're
You'll be
when
famous.
we're when it gets to
but
see
that
it.
could be later on.
you'll be famous.
All right, what did we get first? So for first part, what did we get?
5.2. Yeah,
You got
negative
Say that
7
again?
would be
5.29.
90 degrees.
I got 1.6.
Oh, you converted it normally. I
So,
looked, I went,
negative
I got
90
things.
would be 90 degrees.
I believe it would be.
Be 90 degrees.
it would be the same place as 90 degrees.
Yeah.
But I don't know why I did it in my head, I just did secant of negative 3 pi, negative 3 pi over 2,
5.29.
which then you have to flip.
Which one? This one is not. I don't know.
Pi. It's times 5 for 180. It's already in degrees.
Wait, are you going for what I
I
got?
don't know how to do secant.
Are you going for what I got?
It's
I know it's
the
not-
reciprocal of cosine.
I know.
One.
Hey, Cedric. So like.
What's good?
We're linking up through.
Oh, if I were
You got a 1 over 0
So
negative,
it would
let's
be,
So-
it would be the
Okay.
cos, it would be the cosine of
It is
pi over
5.29.
2.
This is how
It would
I'm
be the
doing
cosine of pi over 2
Okay,
since it's
so
negative,
I know
270.
that
It would be the cosine of pi over 2, and then
Or that would be 0, 1, right?
Makes sense.
Oh, yeah, wait, yeah, fine.
So it'll be negative 2. Negative square root.
It is,
Right to opposite.
Switch it.
So,
how did you get
the cosine.
Oh no, that's just saying when I'm adding 2 to 5.
Okay,
Is-
okay, makes sense.
are we doing competitions?
0.
Are we doing competitions?
So then.
Yes.
That's just
Zero.
zeros.
Why is the camera here though?
Right.
Oh no. But
Yeah.
we will perform
Big brother.
Shouldn't I be questioning the
Big
camera's
brother
existence
watches.
while on camera?
So you should end up getting for part 1 1.6855555556. So
1.69
Which
pi?
one?
It's
Convert the
1.69.
yeah, 1.69.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
almost
right.
at 90 degrees.
That is
Because-
also
It should give
5
you both.
point whatever radians.
It should say like radians and then
No, no. 1.6 times pi is the same thing as.
I wish you
Five.
could.
You're calculating probably in degree measure.
No, you did it right.
So did you
You just multiplied it out.
Did you multiply it by
did you
pi?
multiply with the
Two.
pi? Yeah, you multiply with the pi. That's how you get the 5.29.
So, which
So-
one is correct?
Either
Well-
Both are. It's just that for the 1.69, that's including that's multiplied by pi. So it's 1.69 pi
Yours
or
was not.
5.29
Depends on
pi.
your classes though, we might not see each other except like physics or chem.
Because say if you were just to divide 303.4 by 180.
Which one is it? Which one?
You got 529?
Which?
Do you want this?
Oh, I'm not sure right now.
Oh, we got 529 as well.
Okay.
But then you also multiply by pi.
How do you think
Okay.
secant negative?
So you can also say 1.6 pi
like.
or 5.29.
I don't know.
Say
Is that
what?
right? High school
What is the
physics
first one?
This physics is a totally
You
different
should be
story.
getting 1.69 pi or 5.29, however you solve it.
What's that?
How else could you, oh, never mind, I'm not.
It's included
It's-
if you
it's-
multiply it with.
I don't have an answer for you.
5.29.
So
Just because.
I figured now's a good time as any. Hi, everybody. My name is James. I am Sam today. I am actually Sam, but I just look different. Kind of a little makeover thing. So you will probably never see me again after today, but that's fine. I'll miss you guys, and you'll probably miss me. We can write letters or whatever you guys want to do. All right?
That's fine.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to have-
So what do we get for the second part? It's not pi over 4.
Negative
pi over
one.
four.
Radical 2 over 2 and
Yeah.
I got it just right.
Right, two over two.
Negative right two.
Yeah.
Did you say negative?
No,
No.
it's negative right.
Because It's not the power of 4. So say if we go over unit circle,
Shit, where did I go wrong?
remember that this is 0 and 2 pi, and this is pi.
Okay.
So if we're rotating 5, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
And then we're adding the power of 4. So power of 4 would be right here.
So it is 5 power?
I've been tricked.
That's what I did the first
And
time
then-
and I thought I was wrong.
Yeah, we get
Trust your instincts.
5 pi over 4. And what's the sign value of 5 pi over 4?
Negative radical 2.
Yes.
Ah!
The lesson learned is don't trust Cedric.
Yes. Don't trust me. I'm sorry.
I trust Cedric.
I failed everybody.
I trust you.
Thank you so much. Okay. And what did we get for
0.
secant?
Undefined?
0.
Undefined.
Sarah.
It'd be 90. It's 90 degrees.
Yeah, it's the equivalent to 90.
Yes. Correct. Okay. So
Wait, so it is 0?
Sarah.
I thought it was 1 over x and at 90 x is 0.
90x.
The reciprocal of 0 is 0.
Oh, I was just doing secant in my head of 90.
Yeah. I'll do whatever you have to write it down. Make it easier. But let's go over this. So homework.
Nice.
Oh!
Actually, it's
I'm so
changed
proud of us.
today.
I've never cleared mine, so it should be at least 1%.
Yeah.
Mine's partially done also.
Did you get them all done?
Not yet. I just did.
Okay, but yeah. Well, 0%. Well, last time I checked, so 0%.
Okay.
Get the work.
Beautiful.
I just want you guys, oh, here it is.
That is beautiful.
Yeah. So, change section 1.
Section, the best one, number 1,
Is that
section
yours?
1, yeah.
It's weird how I
can
think you
tell.
guys multiple times.
I don't remember that.
Number 1 is well time.
I always remember that.
Yeah.
Alright, but yeah, section 1 is beating us by 28%. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So we have
got
two
zero.
homework, we
You're
have
gonna
two
stay at
homeworks on Sunday?
28%?
Yeah.
Apparently.
Two
Yes,
on
I'm going to Alex, yes.
Sunday.
So do them both.
On the 7th, I don't think it's this Sunday, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, it's
No, it's May, it's May
next
6th.
Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
So you
Yeah.
can
Oh,
go
we're
into
good.
I can study the, I can study
You
the.
can wait, but I get it done sooner.
do it to that day.
Yes, because I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't want to do the practice final, homework 11, and homework 12 on the same day. So do it 4.
See, that's
The
easier to
depression.
say.
Hey.
Some of us have to work.
You can work on
You
depression.
know?
Well, you see,
Deadlock.
I learn things.
Oh
my God,
It's really
such
hard
happy
to incorporate that into my schedule. It's really hard. I'll try, but I'm not gonna make any promises.
and that's why you come to our office.
I'll be able to tell them this. You know,
That's beautiful.
so maybe I should.
I don't know.
No, he knows what
I don't think so. Because,
It's like
blue
teardrops.
eyes,
It's like teardrops.
crying,
Full
deep
of
depression in my heart.
And section 1 beating you guys.
For the first
Yes,
time.
you guys
I
are in
mean,
section 1.
Keep loading. I mean, apparently like half of the
Well, no, let 'em
people
load.
don't show up anymore. 15 people.
Then how many of you guys are showing up?
All of us.
True.
All the people that
They're
matter.
They're just invisible.
Yeah,
We're in the,
humans.
we're in the bathroom right now.
Alright.
Excited for.
Going back.
Okay, for pi,
Yeah.
we increased by 1%.
Yeah!
Pretty
I'm so
good.
proud of
'Cause I
us.
did like one problem today. I had to.
Improvement's improvement, no matter how much it is.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Still behind section 1.
Yes. We're still behind. We're still last.
We still suck.
Sadly. We don't suck.
I wouldn't phrase it that way.
We just need improvement.
Improvements.
We did.
I don't know where that blue line came from. Don't ask me that.
Damn, dude.
You know, I was just snipping tool, random blue mark, okay. But yeah,
We can make it work for the best.
that was just in anger. Just, I don't want to see this. But yeah, my mentees have 4%. Good job. Wait, is it just Sam?
Sam is not here, so.
I'm
No,
Sam.
no,
Oh, yeah, it's
Yeah.
you guys are.
no, my
She
mentee.
just
I
got a
just be
Sam?
upset at our group.
She just got a haircut.
Here, so it's
You have to be upset at our group.
Come on, guys.
You don't want to get
Come on, get your head in the game. Let's go.
And yeah, then SVT Sam's, mentees, 2%.
Whatever,
We're
Cedric.
reading you. So,
At first.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that
Decided
Jasmine!
by
It's finals week. What do you
Jasmine,
expect?
oh, you named your team.
Yeah,
Alright, that is so much better than team.
That 1% is me.
It is.
It's me. That 1%.
You are the 1%.
Damn, dude.
I tell me who that was.
Oh,
God.
not yet.
Oh God.
Not yet.
What was
Not
that?
yet.
Ah!
The game we're playing.
I saw the answer.
I barely see that.
I had that packet that you put on my table
Yeah.
of all the answers.
That's not it though.
That's funny.
So what we're playing today is a version of Battleship between
Okay, you do all the battleship stuff.
these
and
four
all
and these five.
What?
So how we're gonna play this is the quickest team to get one of these questions right gets to throw the ball, not at me, or at James / Sam, at the board. And before we play, you guys are gonna choose which numbers you guys wanna pick to place your battleship. And if the other team hits it, that battleship's gone. Or miss, whatever.
What if
So-
it's on the line? You know, what are the rules for that?
Then you get nothing. It's just
Nothing.
complete.
What if it looks like it's on the line, but it's really not?
I'll be the judge of that.
Okay,
So
so you're gonna do it.
if it's going for the line, I'll just reach in and blow the ball real quick to.
So everybody's played Battleship before, right?
Yeah.
I was gonna-
Yeah, and everybody should get this.
Yeah, it's a battleship.
Second Battleship. Bootleg Battleship.
Math version.
Bootleg battleship.
Alright, first question.
Oh,
That aspect ratio is just magnificent.
Are there numbers already
Do you wanna,
assigned?
do you wanna do this one?
No.
My head is not in the game right now, I gotta say.
I'm not
Get these
getting
first.
I am doing a bunch of shit on my
Okay. Add.
Thank you. Well,
You guys do know how to do factors, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
It was mine, but I'm with it.
Alright, well.
Stop.
Why don't you have Sam explain it to you?
Hey Sam, what's the vector?
The other one.
Oh!
Oh, you don't
No.
know.
Why'd
I
you
got it.
Yeah.
I think we got the same.
I got it. I got it.
Can you read this?
Got
What
it.
did you get? That's
What
what
did
I got too.
Got it.
You got it?
Negative 18.
Negative 18.
Oh, 3A, 2B, yeah.
Yeah, we got it too.
Yeah, buddy.
It's not-
We
But
got
it
it
was
first.
who's first?
And like,
Got it.
Ours was.
Oh,
Wait, we didn't decide where
I'm not-
our
Wait,
do we have a strong
Yeah, that's
one,
what
or
I'm
do we
going
just
over, but they
put the
chose
answer
theirs
up?
already, so.
Button.
Who got it right?
We kind of both did. Okay. You were right.
I'm just gonna solve these
You got it.
problems. You can't miss-
Wait, what if we don't make it on the board
What are our
whatsoever? What if
numbers?
what if
We
like,
don't
shoot
have
the
numbers.
Yeah, we don't have
We don't know
numbers.
what's going on.
Which one's good?
You're not supposed to know their numbers. You're just supposed to
We
know
don't
the
even know
board.
where
We don't know our
That's,
numbers.
I'm coming to you guys. You got something too
Give
quick.
him a minute. Don't put it down. Hold on.
Give me it.
Put theirs down.
I don't want it.
What if we miss the board? Does that count?
Well, I'm hoping that you don't, because it's only like,
Can one of
4
you
feet
hold
away.
Huh? Yeah. What is going on?
Yeah, I'll
see
hold
you.
Math class.
Are you just gonna hold it and like put it in the line of fire?
Please don't aim for the face. These are not safety
Oh, we're actually-
rated glasses.
throwing it towards you? I don't know. That's a good idea, bro.
364.
Bad idea, I think. It's gonna get on.
Don't listen to the numbers.
You should like hang it up somehow. You know.
I'll just glue my feet to the ceiling.
Yeah.
Something like
That
that.
works.
It doesn't count.
Alright.
Where is an appropriate distance you feel? You shouldn't be moving.
Please don't make it move like it really is as it is.
Put it like right here.
I'm like right in the middle.
I'm gonna-
right
You can
I'm
just
gonna
stand right here.
Oh, you should put it up on a chair, no? Put it on a chair and then have it.
No,
lean
it's
over.
much more
I'm
interesting
Put it
when
on-
there's
hit somebody.
when there's somebody's
Put
face
it on the
at
chair in
stake.
front of her.
Yeah. Right, please.
Oh, I thought you
Two.
Two.
Miss.
Yeah.
What is that
Yeah.
game of life that we're
Yeah.
playing?
Oh.
Nobody-
Reload.
Alright. Ball.
We don't know.
Okay. Guys lost my ball.
Do I have to use the
That was a
board?
terrible throw.
Alright.
It was here.
Next question.
I can't see.
Draw it.
Yeah.
Can't see it?
I got it.
Child,
Am I supposed to just draw a representation of this?
Yeah, draw representation.
Draw the first vector, just the one starting for P.
Hmm?
You have to draw the first vector, just
there you
the
go.
one
Alright, we got it.
Got it.
We got it.
I already got it.
Well,
This one already had it.
Wrestling?
This one's
Russell
already
had a
had it.
sham the entire time.
wait.
There's no.
Oh, I wasn't looking. I'm sorry.
You have people who have the will
Wrestling.
to live.
Wrestling
Entire
took
time.
before it like,
Come
you
on.
remember
I have
that?
an instant replay, Dan.
We're not fighting over this point. You guys can have
What
it.
number should I go for?
L?
All the numbers.
You should go for
Number
6.
one.
No.
That could actually be us. We don't even know.
No, I know.
You don't know your own.
I know the numbers.
Number one. Four.
That was a solid
Did
4.
I? Did I?
It is.
I don't
I
know.
don't know, it looked like it was on the 9.
No, it
No.
It looked like
Are
it
you
was
kidding?
on
That's a solid
You see
4.
that squirt right there?
Solid
See that smirk?
4.
Yeah.
Oh no, I saw it hit like right here.
What?
Show you that.
Tomahawk.
Who's the judge?
That is a miss.
Damn it.
Oh, great. Reload.
Oh, where's the thing?
Let's fire again.
Jerusalem has one of them boards.
Oh, it's special, right? So you got something like this.
Smaller?
Find the magnitude. Vector, -4, -2.
Oh no.
I got
Oh,
the answer.
simplify, dang it. I gotta read before I do my math. It's too red.
We're gonna play someday, guys. Don't worry.
Isn't it too red? Five?
No, wait, I
Go!
got it.
Yes.
Fix it.
Red five.
Fix it.
He said no.
Uh,
You got to simplify it.
Even when I don't.
Whatever.
Even when I don't read.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
You wanna shoot?
So,
I'm not shooting.
who's throwing?
Throw this away.
Who?
Who's someone in the front row should throw?
Someone.
Okay,
There's
shot
only
fired.
one.
Not for the face.
it was
Oh yeah, you're on there too.
No, that was on the line.
Oh my god.
That was on the
That
line.
was two.
What do you think?
That was definitely two.
you missed the board completely.
I didn't see it, but I heard it too.
Let's
What do you guys think?
It
Did
looked
you make
like
it?
two.
Redo.
Redo?
No redos.
I didn't even see it.
No way, Jose.
It
You
looked
s-
like
you said-
two.
It looked like it too.
No, it did.
Are
So-
we gonna,
I-
are we gonna
I
just
say
make
it
this
was
an
definitely a
SAT
two.
Like a
game?
one.
I wanna
She
know.
says, we have one on our team who says it was a 2, so I think we should give it to him.
That's a 2.
Okay.
It was done.
Because I'm
It
nice.
was a two.
I'm a nice person.
Not
Did we hit it?
No.
No.
Oh, so it's like, you know,
It's
what
not.
are you,
Come on
you know?
now.
Do we get to change our
Yeah.
locations of the battleship ships? No.
Well, if somebody wins before the amount of
I think we
questions,
should,
then yeah.
because after a while,
Strategic
people are gonna
maneuver.
start
Are you gonna
noticing,
get
like,
this?
hey,
Mobilize the fleet.
well, if it wasn't that number, it has to
So after, you guys wanna do after 6, change numbers?
Yeah.
6 questions?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is like what, the third question?
Yeah, this is the question.
I got this.
Wait, oh
Oh
my
hell
god.
yeah, dude.
It's-
I like when the raw Alex is right up there.
That is some raw Alex right there.
It gets you good exposure for your homework.
Yeah.
Can't even see them.
Yeah, I need new glasses, dude.
I don't even have a good marker.
I have 20/20 vision, I can't see that.
What's the opposite of
I don't know if
20/20?
you have
You
20/20
got
vision.
this. You got this, Sam.
You're wearing glasses, my
You
dude.
got this.
I'm telling her,
I got it.
she's got 20/20.
What is
Our,
it?
our marker just ran out.
Nope, 46.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my god.
Yep.
When was your last eye exam?
I haven't been to an eye doctor in like 5 years, dude.
That's a very zoomed up version of it, if you guys can see it.
Thank you, dude.
Whoa, that's way too big.
What did you get?
I think that's gross.
Ooh, okay, my bad.
We got it.
What'd you
We
guys
did get
get?
X and Y too, didn't we?
You need X and Y components. Do you have X and Y components?
Yeah.
You, oh, you don't. Which one's your X and which one's your? Oh, yeah.
So.
Here.
What do we do?
Wait.
That's
Oh,
a
yeah,
14.
yeah, I
That's
didn't
not
see that.
74.
Do
I
you
didn't
need
see
the,
that. Alright, yeah, I believe this. You're right.
But
Yeah,
I'm
that's
right
correct.
too.
Yeah, they got it
Who wants to aim this time?
first. Where I got it?
Dude, I can
Too
like
late.
barely
Too
see.
late. What'd you get though?
I got
Where's
This
my
is where you get armed.
crazy
That was
scrubs?
159.
I feel like I'm gonna miss and
Aim
embarrass
for
myself.
Embarrass yourself in an SPT math session.
Whoa!
Hey,
sabotage.
Hey, you're Sam though. Sam's gonna pay for that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you get any UNC scrubs?
That was definitely a three.
Oh, they didn't hit anything.
No.
What's on two AC scrubs?
Can we just be in the, can we be in the majority area?
Oh, it's a hit.
Dang, second shoot.
Should've used this for
Just
basketball.
wait.
I'm gonna have to laugh.
I keep getting emails from people. What is this?
You gotta get that angle.
Cause every time you come until like
Yeah.
really close.
I don't think you did.
Uh-oh.
No!
You broke it.
Oh,
Oh no.
Well. I think that was.
There we go. Okay.
Phone's dead.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Close.
is that
I can't read.
okay?
Said
I'll try to draw it real quick.
I got it. I got the answer. I got the answer.
wow, you're quick.
We also have the answer, so if there's.
No, you
I got the
don't.
answer first, so.
You don't got nothing.
I've gotten like 40 emails today from the school talking about master's programs. Little do they know, I'm not even an undergrad.
Little do they know.
What are you?
I don't know what I am yet.
All right. Let's hope you figure that out soon. I'm rooting for you. What's your name?
It's Ben,
And I'm rooting for you.
hopefully.
They're incorrect. Let's see.
Were we supposed to find two? That find
Correct.
No! No, they're not.
What's your guys' team name?
You don't
Two.
have.
Goat.
You don't have to.
Goat. I heard goat. Team
Great
goat.
football time. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, I like that.
We're in science shooting.
working.
For Team Llama.
I'm not shooting.
Llama.
Is this the
What
answer?
is that supposed to mean?
Llama, llama,
Put
llama.
it back here.
Well, that's next week's show.
Whatever.
Wait, we're Team Llama Llama Drama?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Best name ever.
I see.
Come on. The girls have a lot with the guys, bro.
Ooh.
Oh!
Oh, it's mine now.
Oh,
It's mine now.
you got
Oh!
the ammunition?
I got a server moderate, dude.
What's the server?
All right, let's see it.
I'm a good person.
No, 5 for sure.
Nothing.
Miss.
Ah!
Oh, we didn't miss
I
the
know what
bottom.
the numbers are.
Sucks to beat you.
Where's the sport teacher?
Did you?
It's called competition.
Yeah.
It's all this shit.
Crush the enemy.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Maybe we did.
You wanna do a phone, Jules?
Wait. What's the other one?
Oh, wait.
It's not happening. Wait, what's going on? Is this a different
Oh,
phone?
okay, it is negative.
Into
It's
a-
going the other way now. Okay, gotcha. That makes sense, yeah.
I can't see those numbers, my dude.
Fine.
Yeah, that's actually.
Negative 4.
X is -3. Y is -5.
I got the answer.
They don't.
It's wrong.
Do you even
Let's see.
This is brain now.
He's smart and he can see the board.
You got one. Wait.
So we're looking for. There's two.
So.
There's two things we're looking for.
2 decimal places.
Yeah, there's two things. Yeah.
Wait, what are we actually looking for? I can't see the board.
Find the magnitude.
Find
And then
magnitude
also
in
find
degrees.
Okay, she did that.
Okay.
I'm done.
Did you find her degrees?
You have to find the
And quadrants.
C theta.
Oh. Oh. I know the things. I know the things. Oh no. Oh, wait.
I'm waiting. I'm holding on.
I cannot do it.
Whenever I don't have to
Is
wait,
it-
you just let me know.
It's to the 100
We got
fingers?
it.
All right, let's see it.
No. The things.
That's it.
No! Ah!
This team's on
You
fire.
got it wrong anyways.
They can't see the problem. They don't.
They got it almost. They were only
first
2x
part
off.
right.
Alright.
We're such a humble.
I'm not humble, dude.
We should.
Easy go.
I guess
I'll
I'm-
shoot.
Woo! Quick numbers.
You don't got nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, we all heard.
Almost got double points.
I feel it.
I'm about to have another trip back to the eye doctor.
That's interesting though.
Yeah, it's all on me, sir.
Dude, if I'm trying to hit something, I can't hit it. But if I don't want to hit something, I hit it with like pinpoint, like.
You should have
accuracy,
did
dude.
that, Big Ben.
Should've just aimed right here, you would've went right for it.
One of my friends like I.
Oh, that's what I got.
Oh no.
Ah,
You
you
know,
get
I
fast.
threw my friend his wallet
You
to like
said I was
talking to him
wrong.
and like scraped
Who
his
said you're wrong?
cornea and now he's like permanent.
This is a
Don't sit
This
in
guy.
Oh, God.
This guy.
After they gave you back the ball, after you dropped it,
Yeah.
and they let you get that 2.
Yeah.
Or 3, whatever it was.
I'm grateful.
What did I do?
What? There was
What?
an 82.
I can barely see those numbers.
Show your work.
It's
negative.
No.
4-2. Unable to
That negative.
calculate 7 and more to interior intermediate computations to at least
You got
4
this.
differently.
What is it? 8, -87.
Is this me?
Find the angle.
The angle
Is
is
it just
like
18?
My name between
Oh, I thought it was a dot product. And
Yeah,
then the
you
answer
get the
changed
dot product.
immediately.
Yeah, it's because you guys saw the answer, so I'm gonna go back to it. Hopefully.
The angle
Hopefully I'm gonna
between
do it,
the
like,
vectors.
really
I gotta
quick.
do one of these? Ooh, spicy. Negative, it's negative 18.
Yes, so, should I read that? Hopefully.
We'll see.
Oh yeah, I forgot, that minutes. Really bad.
Yeah, I'm just looking at my hands. That's why. Oh, no. You should probably head out. If you don't wanna lose like card, but
That's true. You know, I'm just saying, section 1 probably would've hit like 3 or 4 numbers by now.
Wow. Okay. All right.
Okay.
I see how it
Be
is.
Sam right
bold
now,
people.
okay?
You guys
Right.
We're talking about.
I'm just being real with you guys.
We'll
Keep
talk
doing
by,
that. We'll see about
May
that eye
7th.
doctor appointment.
Technically, we'll talk by May 8th. We'll see whose team is up.
I'm here for the
Alright,
math, not the
Well,
games.
remember what's
If I
the
have the
answer.
answer.
I'm here for
Yeah.
both.
I'm
What's
pretty
the
sure.
answer?
I can't read his handwriting.
112.25 degrees.
That's it.
That's
I
right.
don't like you.
Woo! Got cold.
Just think.
No, shivering.
Who wants to shoot? Because it's not gonna be me.
I'm shy.
No. What was the answer?
Oh
You, got, you don't got this.
That's what I got.
You don't got this?
What?
Solid one.
Pinpoint accuracy.
Solid one?
Miss.
No.
You got a little bit of
Juice on me?
on the table.
That is a miss.
That's new.
Yeah.
Screw you, Joe.
Do I get anything
Six
for?
numbers. Look at
Uh,
Do I get it?
Oh, no.
Oh, no, I just crossed it off.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying.
Alright, intermission.
Hell
Whose
yeah.
is this?
That's mine.
I found that
Is
yesterday.
that actually yours? What is
That's
it?
I don't know,
Kanye's.
it's like a bracelet.
That's Kanye's.
That Megatron steal.
Oh, yeah.
It's not mine.
Don't
It's
even lie.
Under the bus.
Living third bar, right?
You're like, the
Yeah, you
the
stole it out
the
of my
body
hand.
under the bus.
I was trying to be nice, but I
I
was
gotta
like,
get
it's like,
close
fine.
to this. And thank God I moved my laptop too.
Dude, that was great.
Yo, technology.
Sacred geometry.
Alright,
Exactly right.
That product.
dot product.
Oh, 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 oh.
18 plus 64, right? 82?
Yes.
You got it.
I got it.
Wait, did we get it right?
Yeah, you guys
Yeah,
are
who's
right.
the,
Conversation.
What?
Us?
I didn't write it down.
No,
I
it's
just
my
said
turn.
Oh, you have to write it down.
Oh.
Yeah, to write it.
Oh, we
Oh,
got
no, unwritten law, it does not count.
That's true.
I thought
never
that I
said
think this
that.
is just an apparatus to share the answers. Did I have the answer right?
So
Oh.
we got it. You got it.
It's fine. I mean, it is just
I'm gonna give y'all both a shot.
Hey, I thought you were here for the math, not the game.
That's why I just shot the answers.
Where's the ball?
You lost the ball.
You should.
Okay, you had one
Cedric.
chopstick.
I think it's on this side of the room, because it hit my board and it would have been stuck.
Oh, it's
We
right
should
there.
flip flop
Back
numbers.
behind you.
In the board.
We
Oh,
should
that's
flip
back
flop
there.
numbers.
Right to the left.
You guys have it.
Yeah, because it's not.
Like
Oh,
like how they have.
Oh, I
Nice
didn't
job.
do
You
it.
know what I'm saying? You guys like that idea?
No,
Whatever, dude.
Everybody.
say
Alright,
whatever.
am I going for it?
Alright, so who gets the toss? They both get a toss?
Oh, yeah, they both get tossed.
Alright.
And
Are
then
they-
we'll,
are we
we'll
keeping the
switch
same
numbers. We'll switch numbers. Whoever, if you go, one of you guys hit, then that determines the winner or tie.
Go for three. Go for three.
Go for 3 guys.
We should
Go
make
for
it so if you
two.
hit the board,
One,
you get to
two.
choose.
We hit 6.
Block it.
Trust
Block
me,
it, Cedric.
I know.
Block
We didn't hit 6, did we?
Go for 5. No,
That's
you
a
gotta
small-
go
Don't
for
look at it.
5.
Ah, damn it.
It's not a thing.
It didn't look like it was coming at you though.
Alright, you guys can fight.
That delayed arc.
it. I got this. I got this.
They're not,
Can I
they're
see
not
that?
scratching me.
They hit us,
So what do I do?
No, we hit them.
Oh, they're doing strategy over here. They just cost more what they put in. I see y'all.
5.
Why did you hit 5?
Aim for a 2.
Oh.
This.
What I told you not to
Nice
hit.
strategy, right?
That's
Need more power on that throw.
I didn't want to hit him in the face. I've done that before.
I appreciate that. That is very nice.
I don't appreciate that.
Any sacrifice.
I'm fine walking home, dude. Yeah, it's a good night anyway. Yes.
I wanted to
really
save
good
space.
day.
I wanted to
Unless
save
I'm
space.
bored, so I'm- No, no, no.
I wanted to save the space.
Cedric.
Sam.
I don't care about his face.
Yeah, he.
Fine, just you get to whip it at him. Whatever.
Alright.
Okay, I will
That's
then.
what happens when you don't have to
Erase the numbers.
Or down.
Give me change.
What's that all about? It's a light switch. What do you think it does?
Kills are
I don't know.
You're so put off by that.
I mean, like, am I wrong?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, your reaction just made that. You're like,
Find the angle. Is this the
No,
new
we
problem?
already did this.
Yeah, I'm.
Chill.
112. That's the
I'm
answer.
gonna leave it to it.
No.
I'm seriously having really big.
Why should it not? It's not work.
I need another
That's
marker.
nasty, dude.
I don't have another marker.
Oh, yes, I do. I got another marker.
We do have to
Does it?
simplify this, don't we?
Never mind.
You're
at SOL.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well,
You're welcome.
Can I just not
Yeah.
simplify it?
I don't think Alex needed to simplify.
You already
You got
did
the
these.
answer.
Answer.
oh, they restarted first, so let's see what they got. No.
Yes.
Yo-ho.
We also have the answer.
Cedric, no, I'm over here. I'm over here first.
I got it. No, come
Yeah,
on.
wait,
It's the sign.
Wait.
Oh, come on, man.
Yep.
Ah,
Why?
It's SPT.
Why?
yes.
Why?
Alright.
It's right, look.
I'm gonna hold this in front of my
I
face,
see.
Yes.
so I'm not gonna be able to judge. Cedric, I need you to judge because I'm not gonna. I'm protecting myself.
Don't put your glasses right where they've been hitting.
It's 29.
That is a 4 and.
No, that's not. I said radical, man.
Radical 4?
Yeah, I said I chose
I count that as
radical
a 4, so that is a hit.
No, it's not. I said radical 4. Come on, man.
You got a marker?
He's screwing us over.
You screwed yourself over.
I said radical 4.
You could have said like radical 16 or something, you know. Make me think.
That'd still be 4.
Radical 4.
I'm just gonna pretend I didn't
Which
see
is
that.
2.
Wait, what?
I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see that. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, I had
What was
3. I
that?
don't know why.
You okay?
Yeah, I bumped into the table.
I was gonna
Sorry.
say, did you like fall?
No.
Disgusting.
I thought you
You
did.
on the ground? No, you didn't.
Oh, I can't do 7 times 9 in my head ever since 3rd grade. What was it?
Oh my god.
Okay, is this right? It's better be right. If this is not right, I'm dropping this class.
I got it.
This far in?
Wait, can't read that.
That's an
That's
8.
it. That's it. If this is not right, I'm leaving right now. And
Which one's which?
Well,
Which one's which?
9M.
So this is 9M?
Yeah.
And this is M plus
M
N?
plus N. This is.
Are you kidding?
Ugh.
Cedric,
You guys
Can't
might
get-
want to
you
work
can't
Whatever,
together.
now you can do the
No.
same team.
we got
Oh my
36,
God.
63,
Sign.
negative 1 and 8.
Rose one.
What?
You're correct.
What's with Rose?
No, he just missed signing it.
Oh, he's missigning.
That's
Are
it.
you kidding?
That's it. I'm
Come
out.
on.
Learn how to make your sign.
Are you
I'm
sure
calling
about
the
this?
shenanigans.
I'm prepped. I'm ready.
That's it.
Oh!
Two.
What did you hit?
I think that was a 2.
That was a 2. That was definitely a 2.
Miss.
Without any
That's
dispute.
it, that's not
You
fair.
guys are getting kind of competitive for
Oh.
SBT battleship sessions.
You know what?
That's what makes the games more fun though, let's be honest. Getting super competitive and like
I don't
screaming
even
at
know
each
what
other,
our
that's
numbers.
half the fun.
The math is what makes it fun.
Oh, that's all.
There ain't no secrets in SPT.
That's
If
kind
you
of
don't
funny.
do math for fun, I don't know what's wrong with you.
That's it, I'm not playing anymore.
Wait, what happened? Give me your
What did
marker.
you
What are you doing in the red? Just gonna quit?
That's it.
Just like that?
I'm dropping now.
Well, the winning part's
I'm
fun.
dropping now.
I don't
I
even
don't
like
wanna
winning, I just like
draw.
doing the math,
I'm
dude.
gonna go work at a convenience store.
I already,
You already do.
You're already like, you've already accomplished your goals for today.
you're a small school, right? What year?
Senior.
Is that it, by the way?
You have to draw up the composition.
For what?
The
Wait,
You do that for me.
Give it to me!
You have to,
It's right, I
from one
quit.
point to the other.
No, I'm working on Alex.
This?
Uh,
You're still writing or is your hand up? One or the other?
me. Wait,
We're not done yet, dudes.
am I done?
That
This
is.
is-
Shut up, Ruslan, mister. I get the signs wrong twice.
That is 100% correct.
Wait,
Correct.
Yeah!
It's
Butter!
discriminatory.
Yeah!
Butter!
Is that, would that be correct?
Calm down.
This
Are
is
you the one
awesome.
Alright.
I should.
Let her
I
talk
should
so she might actually
talk. We haven't had a chance to throw yet. so-
Alright, I
Did
need
any
you
number?
won't hit me in the face, so I'm not gonna protect myself.
No, it's gonna be a number that
Don't stress her out, that's what happened last
We
time.
don't know what 5 they picked last time.
don't do that.
Go for 5.
Protect your face. Protect your face.
Go
Go
for
for
5.
3, 2.
2.
That was
It was a
2
2.
for sure.
I don't even know my
I
own
think it
numbers.
was-
so I don't know
And if the
what
board
it is.
wasn't there when he
What?
hit his face, just
That was like, that was on the line, but you guys said 2, so I'm gonna say 2,
Wait,
so.
So
Can we
two.
know our numbers again because Joey left and he chose numbers.
Bench was number.
I chose Joey's numbers and Joey chose the numbers and he never told me.
Well, I'm sorry.
What?
Do you even know our
We
numbers anymore?
Wait, you get a hit or what?
I know
Miss.
one of them.
Hit a miss.
Wait. Oh, Vince, I said
You don't
Vince.
know where
Oh.
you're
No, you never
Is that
did.
good for us or bad for us? I can't even tell us.
That makes the game more interesting. We won't even know.
Fine, I'm gonna keep it.
The man chooses the number.
Can we hit ourselves?
Hit number 3 next time.
Wait, what happened?
The number really chooses you. That's kinda how the game works.
Mhm.
Well, if you hit James, it's a shot. You shoot
Wait.
yourself.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh.
Another one.
I think we already had this one. Yeah, we had it, definitely.
You didn't have this
No.
one, not this one.
Yep, we did.
Pretty sure it's the last question.
I think
We're gonna make our own question.
Like this, right?
That's it.
And then we're just.
I mean, I can pull questions
This?
from mine if you want.
We got it.
Got it.
Hey,
Got
I already got it. I got it first. Ah, got it
Got
first.
it.
Let's not.
Yelling
Got it
louder
first.
doesn't mean you guys were first.
Yes, it does.
That does.
Wait, where's it?
That is.
The louder person is always right.
That's true.
I am a force to be
Say
reckoned
I'm
with,
more
son.
Yeah.
Logic right there.
I'm confident in my answer, so it doesn't matter.
That is correct. You say it's not correct?
If you say it's not correct,
All 4 of us will just drop out. We're done.
Oh, looking at
Oh.
him like,
No, that's
I
not
hate you,
correct.
Cedric, so much right now. I know, it was supposed to be. It was supposed to be.
Alright, we're all dropping out, guys.
He is
He's right here.
It was supposed to be this way.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, huh?
The B is facing this way.
It's supposed to be this way because it's
Is
subtraction.
it negative?
Damn, dude. Are we all? We both
Wait,
got it
yeah.
wrong.
Are they wrong too?
Mm-hmm.
Wait,
Got still have a chance.
I'm not doing
Oh,
right here.
oh, fix it, fix it.
I fixed
We
it.
got it, we got it, we got it.
You got it.
Push me to the extent of what I can do.
Okay, stop doing the little dots.
I'm sorry, I can't help myself. It has to be.
Okay.
Yep. I agree.
And maybe it, but I'm past the point of being able to do this in my own.
I'm just confused on.
Keep looking at it.
Cedric.
Harrison also has the answer?
It's wrong?
Well, we got it right
You're
first.
supposed to write the little equation down.
What little equation? Oh. It wasn't a sign thing, or was it like an actual direction thing?
This is correct.
Okay, it was a direction thing.
No, it isn't.
Who's
Yeah,
got the
this
word
is
earth? What's the earth? The whole earth?
You tried your
I don't
best.
understand this vector thing, so when I get to this on the homework, I'm just gonna be like, yeah.
And that's for our office hours.
Five. That was a straight up five.
That was a 5.
Five?
That's what I do.
Come on now.
It's 4.
What other number could
Okay.
we have picked?
Okay.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, or 6.
Can you hand me that marker?
I think,
Thank you.
if they're good with these, we can hit some review questions. For instance, tan.
Sure.
Because my class had a hard time with that.
So why would you give it to us?
Cause we had to do it on the
Because
test.
you guys are better.
Can we also grab
We
secant
are
and
great.
cosecant?
We are the greatest of all time. Let's go.
Excuse?
Whoa, that was loud.
Oh
So
god,
you're
I
you're
completely
excusing
forgot how to
me
grab
Whole other
tangent.
for complimenting
Oh.
you guys on being better than
Oh, that
their
you meant
section.
just their team.
Yeah,
I was
of
like,
all the
excuse you?
sections, I think we're the best.
Okay.
Yes, because we are the best. Yes.
Yeah.
I
Better
think-
than section 1, certainly.
Well, we'll see about that.
Let
We'll
me
see.
please.
We got pizza.
Get the butt.
Yeah, we
What time?
You have to get supposed to yes.
Rude.
Yes.
Our greatness.
Where were the other pizza?
But I'll be crying inside
You did?
deeply.
Alright.
And judging you harshly.
Can we do cosecant before tangent?
Does everyone have a board or writing utensil?
Are we gonna
have
actually do a
marker.
cosecant?
I wanna see if you
Wait,
guys.
do you guys, do you want me to put it like on the whiteboard instead of?
I can just draw on here, it doesn't matter.
I
Well,
need a marker.
I think it's gonna be.
I think I completely forgot how to grab things.
I forgot it too.
Are we supposed to be, are we rapping?
Alright, alright. You are going to graph.
I need a marker.
I got, oh, no. He got you.
Here's
How are you supposed to remember all of this math at once?
Let me guess, you probably got a couple more years of math ahead of you, so you kinda gotta figure that out.
Nah.
I've been doing this for 12 years already and I
I
haven't
think a
figured it
couple
out.
is an understatement.
Alright,
Cap 1.
so to see if you guys truly are better than
We are.
section 1,
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, everyone, have a dime.
What?
we'll start you off easy.
Oh, that's easy.
This is individual effort here. I wanna see everybody bust out this guy.
Individual effort. Ugh.
We can do it.
I don't like this
I don't
anymore.
remember
I'll
how.
be one of these.
Paper, board, wherever.
I don't remember how coefficients affect tangent. Make it wider or something?
This is gonna take an hour.
Or you can, do the problem.
Trying my best.
Remember,
I did that one.
amplitude A equals 2.
Right for Right for
You didn't have to be so
Period.
savage, dude.
What is the period?
I think I got it, but I'm gonna have to
2
review this.
pi
intensely.
over what?
Is it something like this?
1,
It's something like that. Go ahead and label some of your axes, so I know
which is
what you're
2
drawing.
pi.
Right there.
Is that right? It's not right.
No, that's not right.
No.
Is it something like this?
We start with
Can't remember what
It's
the
all
in-between
coming back
is.
to me.
pi.
Cedric,
No.
Cedric, Cedric.
Not quite.
You're close.
Getting there.
I gotta do the. You want me to put asymptotes? That's it.
I want your x-axis
Wait,
in
teach
there.
it.
No, it is there.
Yes.
Can you
Oh.
see not think about it? I don't know.
It's good stuff.
Oh wow.
I can't remember it now.
Are all does Mr. Milano put all the packets online in like PDF form?
I
know she does for my class.
Blackboard. She does?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we can go back and look at all this stuff. Cause I don't have those packets anymore. There's like 600 pages.
They're all on Blackboard.
So the key to remembering this guy is for sine and cosine, their periods are both 2 pi, right?
Mm-hmm.
For tangent, it's always pi unless otherwise noted within the equation. So when you draw a tangent graph, it's going to go from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. If you have 2 halves of something, that's 1 whole, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, makes sense? Then the coefficient in front just tells you how high up the little squiggly guy wants to go, or low.
So,
Could we look at the general equation for like a sine graph again, and you could explain us how to find like b and all that stuff again?
before you do that, the 2 is how, so the 2,
I'll make this
that,
a
this is what the
race.
2 means. So
Oh.
it'd be
It's the
like,
amplitude, so it's gonna be the maximum.
so it's gonna be like,
You know how to erase everything all?
You have to connect the circle.
You.
gotta connect the circle.
Yeah, but it's harder to do that. I think.
Yeah,
Just
okay.
do
Do your fist.
fists.
Oh, alright. Technology.
Technological.
Okay, so why don't we start off just trying to draw a sine graph?
I don't have any more space.
Whiteboard thing.
Oh, hell yeah. We'll just do this. We can split this board and do this. Nah, we're just gonna split, dude.
Now.
You guys seem to have vectors pretty easy though, right? Like, I don't wanna take away from your vector running time. Yes, no?
As long as everything okay with it? You
Yeah,
fine?
I'm just tired.
We're here for you.
It's good to know. It's good to know. Thank you.
This is fun getting paid
I don't remember what
Is this for competition or?
Oh, I was
now. Just to learn.
I want, well, it's a competition to see if you're better than section one. Not quite.
It's totally it.
I got it right here.
No, you don't have to erase the whole thing, just one thing was off. Yes. Yes.
Oh, duh.
What's wrong with it?
I mean, the x-axis doesn't go like halfway through, so it kind of threw me
Oh yeah,
off.
I'm not an artist.
Right.
You should see my graphs on the test.
Go ahead and label your x and y axes here.
What's the general equation?
Oh, I
So the thing that you're missing here is you fell into the tangent trap.
Yeah, I
You
did.
listed your period
I
as
did.
1 pi instead of 2 pi.
I did.
Otherwise, you were correct.
I did.
Cedric, what's the general equation for one of these trig things? Like a sine x minus or parentheses.
It's, oh, you got it, yeah. B, is it bx minus c?
Plus or minus c.
Plus minus.
And can we go over each component of this one more time?
Yeah. So for a sine and cosine graph, this a here, it's just how big it is, up or down, amplitude. For B and C, we'll get to those in a second. Those are going to change the
Phase
things
shift.
inside. Yeah, phase shift and period. And your D, does anybody remember this guy?
Is that the
You moved
Not
from
really
up
talked
and
about.
Down.
Yeah, vertical shift. That one's so easy, we don't really need to talk about it a lot. So to find the phase shift, you guys remember how to do that?
You said bx.
2 pi.
Yeah, you take that bx
Minus
plus
c
minus
divided
c
by
and set it equal to 0.
Negative B over C. That's it.
Wait, I thought it was
That's-
negative
I
c.
don't
over
negative
b.
c over b.
Yes. It's been a long day. Negative C over B.
We're solving
That's
x.
the period? I thought it was 2 pi over b.
No, that's
he's
the
he's
phase
just,
shift.
he's
Oh,
just
okay.
skipping the math. That's all he's doing. He's not
Yeah.
just skipping the algebra.
Thought
And
we were
then
on a different piece.
Negative.
This
Okay.
guy right here, you're gonna use him to find the period. How do you find it?
2 pi divided by b.
Over absolute value of b.
Pi.
Well, I guess it is, yes.
Well, yeah, you can throw that in an absolute value if that helps you remember it. But that's it. You're just gonna use these couple little key things to graph every single function except
No.
tangent.
Tangent
Don't
is
forget the increments too.
Increments, yeah.
Not everybody uses increments. Did your class learn
Yeah, we
increments?
learned about it.
Yeah, it's
My class didn't really do that. So you wanna review the increments real quick? If that,
period over
That's the thing.
4.
Yeah, so, so increments, how do we get the increments? We
Period
did
over.
Period, like this one.
is, we'll just go say period is p over 4. So does anybody remember how we set up our table slash,
What do you mean?
I think it was like this? At least
That's too many columns.
That's too many columns.
too many columns.
there could be an extra column just for aesthetics, right?
No.
Make it
No.
look good.
So, say, what do you guys want the period to be?
2 pi.
Pi.
It's 2 pi.
2 pi? Okay.
Whatever, guys.
And then you just add 2 pi to get the next one.
And then increments would be 2 pi over 4.
So
So-
pi over 2.
Wait, too many words on it. So, okay. So remember, start at 0, and we keep adding
This,
pi over 2.
I guess.
So 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 4, and 2 pi.
It's 3 pi over
Wait.
2.
Yeah, what is
My
that?
bad.
Hey, SPTs make mistakes too.
They shouldn't.
Not in section 1 we
You
don't.
hear this thing?
I'm pretty sure I just witnessed you make a mistake.
I don't remember that.
No.
Let me see some video footage.
We have
It's
it!
there.
Right there. Yeah. Shut up.
It's 0.
So, what's the sign value of 0? Or sign 0?
Zero.
Sign power of 2.
2.
One.
0. Oh, we're doing 1. Yeah, 0.
One.
Negative 1.
-1.
Okay.
0.
Zero.
And now all you do is that, since we're saying like this is our x and this is our y, is that
Zero.
of x, I guess you could say. You can just plot these now.
Spinach for zero.
So, start at 0, just gonna say this is 0, and then power over 2 pi e 3 power over 2, that's Josh, power over 2 pi. And now we just plug in our stuff, so 0, we're just gonna say this is 1, negative 1, power over 2 is 1, pi is 0, 3 pi over 2 is negative 1, and 2 pi is 0. So, we just connect the dots. And that's it. And you do the same for cosine, cosecant, secant.
Can we go over a cosecant one real quick though?
Yes.
It's a slide thing, right?
Yeah, but then we run out of room.
Do you? It maxes out.
Yeah, it makes it up.
What? That's stupid. Who designed this thing?
Um,
Alright.
whatever it is.
So, how do you draw a secant graph? Any volunteers? Best guesses.
And
Reciprocal.
there you go.
What does that mean?
You throw some asymptotes on where cosine is and then you make.
What is zero?
I don't know terms.
The vertical axis
good.
comes.
So,
You draw like the
Where
missing
0
parts of
is.
that.
So we know how sine is 0 when it's pi and 0
Yeah.
and 2 pi.
It's
And
vertical
since
asymptotes.
cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, you can't have 1 over 0. So it'll just be undefined. So that's what be when your vertical asymptotes will kick in.
so a simple way to remember how to do this without any math, without anything else, without having to remember anything special, is you're going to draw your sine graph, because cosecant relates to sine, right? So we're just going to draw a normal sine graph, and then everywhere where it crosses the x-axis, we're going to draw a line.
Those are our asymptotes?
Those are your asymptotes, because it's touching, you make another line. Touches the line, make another line. And then, you just draw your little cuppy guys.
That's it?
That's it. That's literally it. And then if you want to be a good student, you would erase this line so you don't confuse your teacher on the exam.
Why does it seem easier now than it did when we were on
I don't know, you tell me. This is easy.
Because they dumbing it down for us.
There's no dumbing down, this is it. The hardest part is actually just drawing out your sine graph. And wherever your cup goes up, you have another cup. Wherever your cup goes down, you got another cup. Cups touch cups. That's it. And same for cosine and secant. So say we have secant of x. Boom. We're gonna start up here, come down here, come up, come down, come up again, however many times you want. Just where line touches line, you make another line, line touch line, another line, line touch line, another line, then cup to cup. Race your roll. That's it. Pretty easy stuff, right?
Good.
Yeah.
Next.
Too simple.
Too simple?
It is a little simple. Like, what happens when you have a bunch of phase shifts in there? How much longer does it take?
Witchcraft.
Well, then
Wizardry.
you just apply that to your original
Sine.
cosine or
Just draw
sine.
cosine first?
So
Yeah.
Even with the phase shift and everything?
Even with the phase shift, that's all you do. You just draw whatever cosine, sine craziness is going on.
this is revolutionary.
Show us an example.
showed you an example.
I know how to graph it, obviously.
Alright, well, I'm not like out of room here, so I'm just gonna touch this board a whole bunch and hope it's really clean.
I'm gonna pass around your extra slips.
Wait, did we get homework on Monday? Cause I've had a
Now
lot.
we get.
Yeah.
Yes, we did get mine.
Oh.
Here.
Oh, I get an exit slip, I get to leave.
Thank you.
Pass it around. Wait,
I'll
no.
let him do his thing first, cause he has to do that, and then we can go over something right after. How's that?
I wanna see some grass, my dude.
Write it down.
Choo, you did a thing.
Can I only write one thing?
Yeah, let him do a thing.
Cotangent is.
I'll write 3 things.
Those are the special ones. I can go
I
over
can
that
only
right
think
after
of
you,
one thing at a
do your exit slip. Are you doing it now?
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
passing it around.
Yeah, so do that.
I need my pen.
Between 0 and pi over 2, right?
It's my turn.
We'll get to that.
Okay.
No.
If we have time, we have like 10 minutes left.
What do you
Well, if you're not in a rush, please.
Angular linear speed, dude? Can we do an angular linear speed?
Those are my favorite.
Those are my least favorite. Yeah.
Yuck.
Those bring me back to 7th grade.
Oh, you just want.
7th grade was a dark year for you.
Yeah, let me see what I
That's when I had to do all the math conversions in chemistry.
Like dark time.
No, the dark times are now.
Dark ages.
Oh, the dark, you think the dark times are now. So let's see physics.
It's not the
I don't
school.
know.
It's Cedric.
Physics.
When I was studying my classes today, he tried to set me up for spring taking chemistry and physics.
I'm taking chemistry and physics and calc 2. It's doable. It's something.
Why would you ever want to do that to yourself though?
That sounds
I
good.
don't have hold myself in such high
He
regard.
looked at me, he looked at my
That
stuff, and
sounds
was like,
good.
you know what, let's take away physics. I'm like,
Sounds like sadness.
I don't even know if I'm gonna go to college next year.
I don't
Why-
know
why
what
is
I
that?
want.
I don't know, dude.
You're going to college. I will drag you from your apartment to this school.
Where I live.
I'll be with you, Seth.
I'll figure it out.
Statistically, it'd take you at least a week to find me where I live.
Trust me.
There was this
I know
one
where you
I
live.
got
website.
my ways.
What was,
There was
I got
this one
connections.
website that
what were we
actually
going over the time that we
Slovakia.
split up the review?
I don't know,
and
but I
we
don't
said
know.
Sam?
Catfish.
What were we going over?
It was hella shit.
Oh, you're taking proofs?
I just know.
Oh,
Oh,
No,
When
it
I was
wasn't
like
proofs, we were
fifth
doing
grade,
the
I
other
found this
thing.
like called Spokane. You
What
can
was the
sit
thing
with
we were doing
anybody's,
at the same
like,
time as
mom,
proofs?
dad, just fucking do it.
Yeah.
And plus I have
Okay,
connections.
cancel.
I never use my real name online.
You were over
I
here
was there.
graphing for a part
I
of
was
the
there.
time.
You can't
Yeah,
fake
you're part of the time.
college
Part of the time.
It was like,
applications.
this equals tangent, and then you have to do like, oh, this is difficult,
Yeah.
this is.
Cedric, so remember when we split the review and Sam was over there and you were over here?
I'm right
What was Sam?
Trig equations.
Trig equations? Okay.
Yeah.
We split the roof.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Remember when I was doing graphs over here?
I never pay attention during the review. I just do the math.
Breaks my heart.
You just
Put
offended me.
proofs on there.
You hurt him.
I try my best every day.
I was in the room for an hour doing math.
True.
Oh,
Put everything,
Uh,
go over everything.
All of
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, can we just relearn the entire course?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
wonder if that camera is even
Why not?
So what's our
I think it's on.
lit.
Should be.
I don't see a red dot.
I'm kind of spent for this
You
evening.
know, I remember an episode from
Everything
Family
that I
Guy,
need-
goes into the future, and
If
all
it
they do
didn't
for school
record,
is go on a
that's gonna
helmet
be
for like
funny.
5 minutes, and they just learn
I
all
wish
lessons
I wish
in
someone
a
was
day.
like that. That would be so
I thought Dr. C turned it on.
Dr. Who?
Why is there a camera here?
I heard a bunch of
Isn't there always one?
Yeah. It like goes into the future.
Alright, so he wants to do a tangent kind of thing. Do you guys want to do that or an angular linear speed?
Can't we do both?
I mean, yeah,
Maybe
we're
both at the same
probably gonna go
time.
over time.
Cedric, did you do the angular over here?
I can do the tangent.
Why don't you do the tangent? I'll do angular linear.
Okay.
You wanna do it over there?
I'll do it wherever. I'll do angular linear speed, then you can do your tangent. How's that?
Okay.
Alright. So say you have a whoa! Cling fan,
I'm
With-
to remember.
18-inch blades. And linear
Everybody fill this out.
Yes.
is
Everything. I agree.
7 feet per second at the tip. Ceiling fan with 18-inch blades has a linear speed of 7 feet per second at the tip. So why don't we find the angular speed?
What's the formula?
V v equals pi right there, I think? Is that even remotely correct?
Is that close?
So, the way I do this, I don't like to memorize any extra formulas than I already have to because physics is just, oh my gosh. So we can figure this out kind of intuitively here, by using units. Do you guys ever like cross out your units and whatnot?
That's all I do.
Yeah, so if you do that, you can't go wrong, unless you get your unit conversions wrong, but why would you? Like, how many seconds are in a minute?
60.
So how would you write that? Either 60 over 1 or 1 over 60, right?
Mhm.
So how many seconds are in an hour? Right, not 60. I had a lot of students in my class write 60 seconds in an hour. That really messed them up. So, we have 13A. So we have 7 feet per second, right? That's how we're gonna write that?
What is it asking?
Fine, we want the angular speed. This is a symbol for angles, right? Angular speed. And something we have to notice right from the get-go is that this guy is in inches and this guy is in feet per second. So that obviously doesn't work. We need to do something there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what do we do? Somebody help me out. If I want to convert this 7 feet to inches, or inches to feet, we got to start somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna start with that one because it's there.
Yeah.
So how do I make it inches?
How does the answer want it though?
You put 1 foot on the bottom.
I don't care. Honestly, I just want you
Okay,
guys.
12 inches over 1 foot,
All right. Why is it 12 inches over 1 foot and not 1 foot over 12 inches?
because you wanna cancel out the feet.
Right. Well, cancel out those feet, guys. Right. So now we have 7 times 12 inches per second. We're getting somewhere. All right. Now, if the ceiling fan has 18-inch blades, where's that one gonna go?
Is that
18
all the way
inches
around, or is that like
in the
one individual blade, like
That's
straight?
1 radian of a blade, 18 inches long. So if you guys do not remember, angular speed is the same thing as linear speed, just dividing out the radius. All right. So if you have the angular speed and you multiply it by, for instance, 18 inches, you end up with the
1 over 18.
So
linear
it's
speed.
So
Yeah.
it'd be 1 over 18.
So we're gonna times 1 over 18 inches. Bam, bam. So right now we have 7 what over seconds. We're not quite there yet. We need something else. So no, actually, that's it. If we the original question had to go to minutes, which was another conversion of seconds, but this is it. That's all you do. That's it. Either multiply in the radian to get the linear speed, or you take it out to get the angular speed. What's up?
Would this be in radians when you?
Yeah, this is in radians.
So because you canceled out the inches, it's now automatically in radians?
Yeah, because radians are technically a unitless measurement. If you guys remember that, do you remember that?
No.
That's a thing.
It's a thing.
Yeah, so radians aren't like a unit that's normal, like inches or miles or something like that, degrees, like temperature-wise. Radians are just kind of a weird hybrid fake unit thing that don't really exist, but you kind of use them like they do. I don't really have a good explanation for that.
They're the label of nothing.
Yeah.
Is this the answer?
Yes, this is the answer for angular speed. Now, how many revolutions does this make in a minute? Somebody want to multiply this out so we have something solid here to work with.
4 point. Do you want it in fraction form?
Yeah, just on the top,
14 over 3.
14 over 3. So 14 radians per 3 seconds. Okay. So how do we, if I ask you how many revolutions per minute, how do we get there?
60 seconds over 1 minute.
Okay. On base, so I'll make this real small. 60, oops, seconds per minute, right? The seconds cancel. So in 14 radians a minute, and how do I get to question?
1 rev over 2 pi r, is that it?
Yes, this is something that's key for a lot of these problems. Crap. Something you guys have to remember is on your unit circle, for instance, going 1 full revolution around is how many pi? 2 pi, right? So that means I can write 1 revolution is the same as 2 pi, right? So this is something that you're going to have to remember for almost all of these questions, going one way or another. This one wasn't set up where you needed it right in the beginning, but you do need it now. So how can we use this? Here.
So after multiplying 14 over 3 by 60,
Yeah.
you have to divide it by 2, basically? Well, you multiply by 1/2. 1/2 pi. Yeah, that thing.
All right, so if we have radians right here and we want to cancel that, we would do 1 revolution per 2 pi. Fake radians, they're there, but they're not there. Those ones cancel, and you just multiply straight across, and you'll end up with your answer.
44.56.
That's it. That's it.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Okay.
If you don't believe me,
I was
there's my word.
gonna say, are you just saying
No.
correctness?
I would never do that.
Oh shit, it's time to go.
Revolutions for.
So if it's your time to go,
Do you guys wanna go?
you can leave, or he was going to go on a tangent.
I'm sorry, I didn't say
Well, I'd rather
anything.
go for tangent when everybody's here and
Okay.
not.
That is something you guys need to see.
Yeah.
Over that.
I'm gonna go
And
to
plus
bed.
we're gonna be doing another pack. Sick.
Man, I don't wanna go home. I have to go back.
Thanks, James.
You're welcome. It's Sam, actually.
See you, Sam.
I'm gonna have to call my mom.
See you guys, it was nice working with you. If you want my address to write those letters, pen pals back and forth, just let me know.
No.
It's like a bad idea to give your address to
Wow,
students.
cool.
I have a P.O. box, it's okay.